Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the Such stands for EDC gear. On the side of my couch, the armrest, I have a bunch of knives, some flashlights, and a pen light that I will pull off and show you. And to tell you about this, I'm not going to show it unless people want to see it. I have a picture ready to show people who want to see it. They can ask me on Instagram. But I have a knife that I'm not going to say the knife yet or anything about it, just that the liner lock failed and a knife doesn't work. It hasn't done that when I first got it, but also I haven't used it long. The person I purchased it in the community, he will talk to me about it tomorrow because we always talk every day about knives and EDC stuff. It's not his issue. It probably just needs to be sent back to the company and they'll be taken care of in November. Glad to have it happen sooner than later, but that hurt, and it wasn't fun, and it bled, but it's not as bad. Put triple antibiotic ointment and moved on with the Band-Aid. I'm going to pull off this knife first. Haven't showed it too much on my channel lately, but it is a wall. It's from Walmart where I got it, and it's the Mountain Dew knife, as my brother says. Okay. And it is Camillus, or if you say Camillus or Camillus, I say Camillus. It says titanium. And this is the wedge. I think it's 440 steel, 420 steel, something like that. The most budgety of budgets you can get, like $20. Nothing special. Just that it looks like Mountain Dew in a knife handle. And it is smooth. Blade play. Stay away now because nope. There's the Camillus Horizon. It's almost 2:30 in the morning, and I had this idea before I went to bed. I was about to go to bed, and I'm like, okay, let's film a video, and then I got the cut from the knife that you will know about probably tomorrow. But I thought to make this video, so this is a spur of the moment video about knives that I like. So nothing about top anythings or knives that I use a lot, just knives that I like, mine or not mine. And I'll let you know that. That's my knife. Then I have the Damn Designs Wendigo 14C28N. The rattle is this. And as of now, I cannot get it to stop with screw right here and this because it's free moving, I believe. On the other ones I have. This knife and yokai, which I'll show next, will be sent in to my buddy in the community to get dyed. I have the messages so I know which color's which, but I won't spell that. Because white gets dirty way too fast. And I want to have some cool colors anyways. A little bit of flexing, but that's no way. No, everything's good. Game Designs, Wendigo, and 14C28N. And then you get size comparisons if you think this is size comparisons. This is the Damn Designs Yokai. Clip on this is, right now it's right hand tip up, but it can be left hand tip up also. This one the same way, right hand tip up, and can be left hand tip up. This one is only tip up right. Then we have the Damn Designs Invictus and D2 with JG10. This feels nice. Like smooth and textured all at the same yummy time. Lock fail is the worst type of fail on a knife because it catches you without any warning by surprise and cuts you. Never really cut you could be aware of or try to miss it. But nope. Lock fail sucks. Deep carry clip too. Then we have the Real Steel G5 Metamorph Tonto blade, which is Blade HQ exclusive. All blacked out version. This is mine. You have a satin blade version with black handle. Both $39.99 on Blade HQ when you can find them. Steel. $28.99. 14C28N. O-Stap Hell Design. The clip is right hand tip up only. Then we have this i3T EOS Mountain Sky Edition. So lowest setting, highest setting, low, high. And this is awesome. Takes a, let me check, tail cap, a AAA battery, one AAA battery. Okay, I have ordered, which was very limited and hard to get. Most people had their sell out. Well, a lot of people did. The one I wanted was a swivel light orange, sold out in less than a minute. But I got the i3T EOS pink camo. That's available for October for the breast cancer awareness charity sale, and that sold out in less than a minute too. But I got that. My brother got an O-Link, got the free OD green light, you'll see, and refills to that pen. And that's cool. I got one because I wanted that. Couldn't get the swivel, but so what's next time? If you don't get it now, you can get it next time. That's what I always was told. Then we have the Blue O Pen Pro. Bolt action style. Laser green light. That. That's the laser. You can unscrew it to use as a pen. By itself, you can't bring the light along with you. Still use the light by doing this push button right here. You can still use the laser. How nice. And you charge it from here. The standard USB micro. Then I got this red, in very good condition, mini mag light, AA mag instrument, California, USA, from the local Goodwill for $3, and it works. These are not very bright lights, but they have a beam you can focus. I know that the regular mag light size is really popular, but I have a black one with the SBC telephone logo, and now this one. Pretty cool, pretty cool. The Andrew Demko 80-20.5. This is really not needed, but maybe a small enough like this, possibly. Austin A for annealed. Taiwanese made. Great knife from Dirk Warning. This 80-20 is from Dirk Warning too. But blade steel is written right here. 3V. 3V is all great steel. This is made in America in Wampum, Pennsylvania. That is a hard use small knife, which is only like this. Let me show you. Only tip up, right carry. Wait, could it? I don't know if you take these off, if it'll be reversible on this side because of that, but probably not, that I know of. It's a very, very good hard to use knife. Goes for like 250 plus. No, wrong, sorry. Goes for 425 plus. Brand new. A video on this knife standalone will come a day or two. I have the CJRB Swags Mylea JG10 red dual thumb studs and pivot collar, front flipper. AR RPM 9 steel, which is a powder budget steel. Great knife, great maker. It is only tip up right hand. Oh wait, my bad. Scratch that. It's tip up right or left hand carry. This might get smoother over time. And last but certainly not least, the Kaiser Mini Sheepdog. All blacked out version, black micarta scales, and 154 CM steel. Kaiser Sheepdog logo. Says Mini. C01C is the model number. This is tip up, right hand only. Look out on my channel by Saturday for an unboxing of some Kaiser knives from somebody in the community. One of them, give you a hint. Well, two of them, I'll give you a hint, is what I have, but they're different than what I have. Great knife. Pick it up if you can. Got mine for $72. These are all the great knives. All the flashlights, accessories from Olight, Maglite, I will have Dirk's channel linked below. His knives are in this video. And anything you want to know, you can ask me in the comment section below. Spur of the moment video, and I hope you guys like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. It's a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. And remember to use your sharp blade. To use those sharp blades. So I was thinking of a YouTuber when I said that.